applications made the iPhone what it is as we know it. Like apps made the iPad. So what is the app situation on the Vision Pro? So there are two types of apps on the Vision Pro, actually. The first is apps that are built specifically for the Vision Pro to take advantage of its awesome experiences. And the first kind is way cooler. Music is a pretty classic one. Like, it has all the same functionality of any other Apple Music app, but in this super glassy frosted window, and shows the colors of whatever's behind it. And you have this sort of sorting menu on the left-hand side instead of across the bottom. Same thing with the Notes app and the Settings app. So Apple TV and Disney Plus, they both come pre-installed, which they have built entire environments inside of them for watching media. It drops you into a space with a full 180-degree video, and Alicia Keys walks right up to you and starts singing right to your face. It's kind of incredible. And then there's also some other really fun third-party apps that I've tried that were built ahead of time. So Sky Guide, this is a good one. You can look around a real representation of the sky around you, where any of the, constellations would normally be. You can look at it a little longer and it'll pop it out. You can pull it out of the sky to get more information about it. It's a pretty great idea. There's another one called Jig Space, which it's a sick app.